Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Friday, 26th of October 2007. It's about 10 minutes past 1 p.m. London time, and I've just triggered a long entry on the New Zealand dollar against the JPY, one of the setups that I was following today. I'm gonna try to explain what I'm seeing on my charts, alright? Well, first of all, we see a clear uptrend. This trade is based on the 30 minutes chart. We see a clear uptrend, okay, yes, like I say, as per the 30 minutes chart, with those moving averages nicely pointing up, okay, the 30 and the 50 already parallel to each other, very nicely parallel to each other, along with a clear uptrend line. Let me squeeze out a little bit. You see that clear that clear uptrend marked in black in my screen, alright? Moreover, we have another level of formal resistance, okay? This double top formation, about 87.25, 87.20, very clear level of former resistance. In fact, we had 3 days topping out at the very same level. Today, in the overnight session, we saw a breakout to the upside of this level, and I was basically waiting for a pullback to retest that level from above, okay? Let me squeeze in a little bit once again. There we are. Alright, there we are. So, like I say, up on the breakout, which happened in the overnight session, I was basically waiting for a pullback there. We also have, if we measure this whole swing up, we have the 38% Fibonacci level around there. Like I was saying, the trend line, the previous double top, the dynamic area of support as usual, etc., etc. Many levels working together at this precise level as support. Okay, so that's the level I was waiting for a price to retrace and search for a bounce to the upside. Okay. Moreover, zooming now into the trigger chart, which since this is the 30 minutes chart, meaning my setup chart, the trigger is the 5 minutes. What we have here, let me clean up a little bit my charts. What we have here is basically a very clear retracement trend line right there, okay, with 1, 2, and 3 touches. This is the level we got a bounce off. In fact, we bounced off it to the pip, right? That's always nice to see when your charts are behaving accurately. And what I can say, and we are getting a bounce off that level. Have a look how the uptrend line marked in black that I was showing you before in the 30 minutes chart, it's coming barely 5 pips below that. Okay, very nice confluence of support there. So we get the bounce there. We break above the retracement trend line, and then it was just a matter of looking for my typical breakout pullback continuation pattern. We have the breakout here, the pullback, and now we've just gone through the continuation, making new high right there at 87.41, which is where I've triggered my long entry. Stop loss placed below there, and I'm shooting for the next round number at this level, at the next round number 88.00. Okay, I will exit few pips below that. I would usually take half of my position out at the previous swing low, but it's just, I don't know, it's just 20 pips, something like that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to trail my stop to break even at this level, but I'm not going to take I'm not going to take the first half of the lot size out at that level. Okay, I'm just going to let the whole thing run until the next target, but in order to protect myself, I am indeed going to trail my stop to break even there. One final remark, this trade has triggered at 10 minutes past 1 p.m. As you guys know, I usually like to end my trading shift around noon London time. So this trade has triggered, like I say, about 1 hour after I usually stop looking at the charts for today on Fridays. because on Fridays we might see a little bit of profit takings, especially after a long this is the hourly chart I'm showing right now, after a long trending week. Okay, so in order to protect myself, I've reduced a little bit my usual lot size. Okay, I would have liked this if this setup triggered, I don't know, let's say 1-2 hours ago. It's taking a little bit of time to unfold, so like I'm saying, I'm protecting myself a little bit and I'm reducing my usual lot size. Just a little bit of protection, okay, since it's Friday, and I really dislike trading on Fridays beyond noon London time. So, like I say, I've reduced a little bit my usual lot size, alright? But anyway, at least from a technical point of view, the trade is looking fairly good, okay? It's actually looking very good. If it wasn't Friday, this would have been a very good setup, absolutely. From a technical point of view, right? You never know, this thing might turn around, okay, and go belly up. You never know. The markets are a little bit... you know, you can always expect some surprises from the markets, but at least from a technical point of view, I mean, we have the trend, we have the trend line, we have a Fibonacci level right there, we have the previous swing high. In fact, we have a previous double top, breakout, retest, now working as support. And finally, zooming into short time frames and now recapping a little bit, we have a clear trend line, clear retracement trend line that gives way with the typical breakout pull. I am so bad drawing with my mouse. With the typical breakout pullback continuation and making new highs triggered in my long entry, alright? So like I say, from a technical point of view, it just doesn't get any better than this. I just hope that the Friday phenomenon, okay, the Friday profit takings or possible profit takings from institutional players doesn't actually happen today. If it does, well, it's a small stop loss. I've reduced my lot size, so anyway, it's small trade, you know. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated whatever happens. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector again. One quick update just to let you know that I've moved the stop to break even. From here up to here. Right now it's 40 minutes past 2 p.m. London time, and upon entry, price has moved to retest the previous swing high. Like I said on the previous portion of this video, at that point I had planned to move my stop to break even, just because I don't want to take any risk with this trade. Considering that it's Friday and the time of the day and stuff, like I say, I'm just not going to take any risk with this trade. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, final update, 5 minutes to 4 p.m. London time, and as you can see, I've been stopped out of the trade at break even. Seems like price up and bouncing. This level of support has found resistance at the previous swing high right there, forming effectively a double top, and it's knocked me out of the trade. Nonetheless, it's still late in the day, and quite frankly, I'm quite happy of being out of this trade. Alright guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.